Good morning student. In previous video we have seen the information about CSR. CSR means corporate social responsibility. Dear student, all of you know CSR is very good. You can say group of industrialists or group of industries, and they are working for the betterment and development of society or particular region. Today's video we will see industrialization and environment, page number 57. Do you know? Okay, it is also very important, that's why I am teaching that portions. Okay, do you know industrialization and environment? Dear student, all of you knows due to the industrializations, okay, we faces water pollutions, air pollutions, noise pollution as well as land pollutions. So due to the industrializations, okay, which type of problems we have faces, or what is the management between industrialization and environment? Manufacturing includes processing of raw material in the order to obtain the finished product. So all of you know, okay, from the raw material we get finished product, we manufacture in the company or factory. During the manufacture of the products, some harmful residual material and pollutant are also in the left behind. Means during that process, means when they, you can say process, when they manufacture raw material into finished product, that time they release different type of harmful gases in the air. Okay, different type of harmful residual material and pollutant are also left behind. As a result, there is a pollution of, उसका रिजल्ट क्या होता है, there is a pollution of air pollutions, water pollutions, land pollution, noise pollutions. This is the type of pollutions. Each term has industrial pollution, that's why, and that term is called as industrial pollution. So what is the industrial pollution? Due to the industry, we face the problem of noise, water, land as well as noise pollutions. Okay, industrial pollutions, the resultant environment and the problem relating to the air being seriously discussed as the international level. So due to the industrializations, okay, it is not, you can say, small or very less problem, it is a great, it is a, you can say, global level problem, it is an international level problem, because due to the industrializations they release very harmful gases and they mix in the air. That's why we faces different type of health problem due to the industrial. That's why it is a national level problem. While deciding the location of industries along with the traditional factors, serious thought is being given to environmental factors. So while establishing any type of factories or industries, okay, we have to make law or rules, how to control that pollutions. So okay, for the you can say national, international level, okay, they are doing, okay, different type of method, different type of, we can say, method for the decrease of pollutions. To control the pollutions caused by industries, proper disposal of sewage and harmful residual, proper treatment of the pollutant should be done. So our national, means our central government, state government as well as in the international level, okay, they are doing different type of, we can say, methods or proper treatment for the decrease of pollutions. Okay, for the disposal of sewage and harmful residual, okay, and proper treatment, okay, they are doing. Okay, so fuel saving vehicles and other equipment must be manufactured. Fuel saving vehicles, so air pollutions, our vehicles, two-wheeler, four-wheelers, okay, three-wheelers, okay, all these vehicles, they really also very harmful gases, okay, while they running on the road. Okay, so fuel saving vehicles and other equipment must be manufactured. उसका जो फ्यूल है, ओके, वो सेव हो और उसमें जो पोल्यूटेंट नहीं रहना चाहिए, ओके, और जो एयर पोल्यूशन है वो एयर पोल्यूशन कम होना चाहिए, उसके लिए ऐसा कुछ स्टेप गवर्नमेंट ने करना चाहिए. pollution control, preservation of natural resources, environmental management are factors must be taken into account. So for the decrease of pollution control, preservation of natural resources means all of you know our natural resources are very limited and our needs are unlimited due to the high populations. Our population is too much. Due to the high population, okay, their demands, their basic needs are unlimited. So fulfill their basic need, they are using the natural resources. That's why we faces this type of problems. Environmental management, how to environmental management, okay, how to manage the environmental balance, किस तरह से करना चाहिए, okay, for that must be taken into account. In India, in order to check industrial pollutions, many law and regulations have been formed. So in our India, to decrease the pollutions, to decrease the industrial pollutions, our Indian government, okay, our Indian government have made law and regulations both at the national and state levels, means both national level as well as state level, okay, they have made, okay, rule and regulations how to control. उसके लिए कुछ नियम, कुछ रूल्स बनाए हैं. Okay, Water and Air Pollution Control Act and the Conservation of Environmental Act. The first act is Water and Air Pollution Control Act. Second act, the Conservation of Environment Act. The Central Pollution Control Board of India. Which board? The Central Pollution Control Board of India. This, okay, looks into the prevention and control of pollutions. And उसका जो मेन बोर्ड है कौन सा है? सेंट्रल पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, दे आर वॉचिंग, मीन्स दोज आर यू कैन से वर्किंग फॉर द डिक्रीज ऑफ पोल्यूशन, उसके ऊपर वॉच रखता है. ओके, लुक्स इनटू द प्रिवेंशन एंड कंट्रोल ऑफ पोल्यूशंस. In this context, any contravention of this law would be mean that the management of factory would be held responsible and would be liable for the punishment. And those group of industry or those industry didn't follow the rule and regulations made by our India government, they will get punishment. They will get punishment. Or those are group of industries are not doing for the betterment of society, or if they are doing misuses, of rule and regulations made of India, so they will get a punishment, or we can say liable for the punishment, or they will be responsible for the liable punishment. This way, dear student, today's video, I hope you will understood today's video. Next video we will see next information of this lesson. Thank you.